J Productions.
I just want someone who gon' hold me down. She gon' hold my gun, she gon' hold it. I just want someone, I just want someone. She gon' hold my gun, she gon' hold my gun.
What's up guys, it's Anthony
and Evanis,
and welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and like this video, because today we're gonna be pranking my dad. Today we're gonna be putting a poster behind the truck. We're gonna be going to like this lake, so he's not even gonna know what.
the green one?
Yeah, cool.
What do I put?
Like what should we put, guys? Put honk to get my dad mad. Put it kind of big. Make sure there's space for it. Honk to get. Put that mad. Just put that mad. Because I don't know if there's gonna be space. You not be able to read it? Yeah. Put for video on the bottom so you can see it. Be able to see it. Yeah, huh? It's bigger than the license plate, huh?
Boy, what the hell?
Look, Pa, what she's doing.
No, you.
It says, I want to get dad mad. So we're gonna be putting him behind the truck, and he's not even gonna know. We're gonna get his reaction. Let's go.
I just don't like that fucking struggle of fucking putting all the shit down.
There's like some steps on.
Yeah, I don't like that shit. And then you can't take a shit. That's my worst fucking fear right there. That's my worst fucking fear, man. Fuck that.
You didn't have to feel like using the restroom?
That's why I didn't want to drink beer. I didn't want to do nothing.
What the fuck? Little ass car behind us. I didn't even see that shit.
Hey, I didn't even see that.
Oh shit. On our shit.
That's why I slowed down. Where's the pilero at, eh?
Huh?
Where's the pilero at?
In the back.
Shit, babe. Bust it out, eh? Get that shit ready. Serious, where's it at?
Right there next to Sarah.
The pilero.
Next
Big
to you,
ass
look next to you.
fucking Rambo chopper that's right there by the door.
This?
No.
I'm like, what?
There's a knife right behind you. They have lasagna shit. It's on your back. Go!
Fuck up.
The car's right behind.
The honking? What happened?
Yeah, he was honking.
He was?
Yeah.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What's wrong with him?
Huh? What's wrong with me over here?
No way.
Fuck him. He's in a rush. He could fucking go around me.
I'll manage.
What the fuck? I think niggas doing here?
Look at that one.
What the fuck? Little ass car. Oh, you went stay back already?
Pinche Raúl, ¿por qué no me dijo nada también? Dijo Raúl, no, ¿verdad?
Where?
Really fast? 5 freeway? That's fast.
Ese güey está pegadito, ¿da? Ahorita casi para allá, güey. ¿No me haces? Vato. ¿Quién es, güey? Fíjate quién es. Pero, ¿cómo se ve lo que? Ahorita tengo el pinche Rambo aquí, güey. I got the Rambo shit right here.
Oh, lo de Pasi. What the fuck?
Pendejos.
What the fuck?
Órale, pues, güey, no, mañana, güey.
Pero I was following him.
Te putos, Fucking bitch ass. Like, all that shit for nothing.
Some young fools.
Huh?
Some young fools.
Well, yeah, wait, he's smiling, huh?
You know?
You see them?
No? Oh shit! What was I doing?
Fucking retard. Throw the Rambo.
Fucking little ass car.
They were tailgating it too much. Tailgating the shit out of you.
Did all that for nothing, huh?
They don't know who they fucking with, that's the thing.
Is that them behind you guys?
No, they stayed behind. They're still on the freeway though, that car? Can you see it?
Yeah. There's somewhere in the back they slow down.
So they took out the filero, huh?
No, they didn't even seen it. They would have seen it, they would have stopped completely. They would have got paranoid. Oh my god, he took the Rambo out. Fuck them. That's the way. You too, motherfucker? Fuck. What's going on? Did they put a sign in the back say honk or something? Everybody's honking on the fucking truck. There's a sign that says honk when you see this or something. Like a fucking prank. Fuckers.
The fuck?
It is,
He saw you! Why you gotta kill it? Fuck! 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 Fucking honky! I mean, he's how to kill it. Just go home like that.
Fuck that. I'm going to the store.
Oh my god!
Serious? I just seen everything.
No, they
but
have to
it was
get.
classic. That girl was recording in the car.
That's why the car was honking at you. I wanted to laugh.
Laugh because of the face I did.
Yeah. Oh shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh shit. Oh, fuck, it's just too funny.